Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share a Gucci bag. You can see the bag is black. Yeah, a small bag. The whole bag like this. You can see a heart. Here is a heart. Yeah. Now I will show you the detail. Yeah, the bag I think is very beautiful. Now let me show you the detail. There is a double G hardware. You can see it's golden, a little shiny. Yeah, a little shiny, and the materials of the bag is real leather. And this side, yeah, and this side, the back. Yeah, you can see the back. A heart is here. A heart, the bottom. And here, let me show you the strap. You can see the strap. The paper protect the strap. The strap have two parts. This part is chain. Yeah, chain. Yeah. And this part is leather, black leather. You can see. Yeah. Also, this is the chain too. Okay, now let me open the bag. Yeah, you can press here to open. Yeah. The bottom. You can see this is the bottom. Yeah, the bottom. Like this. Like this. Yeah. And press here to open it. Okay. Now let me show you the inside of the bag. You can see. Yeah. Here's the logo and numbers. Yeah, there's zip, a small pocket, a big pocket. Yeah. You can see the material of the inside of the bag. It's suede leather. Okay. Suede leather, and the zip like this. Okay. Okay. Let me show you the loop. The loop. Yeah. The chain is here. Yeah. You can change the strap by the loop. Yeah. The 4 loops. Yeah. Okay. This is a black small bag. And now let me show you the box. Here is the box. Yeah. Some accessories. Yeah. Accessories. There's a silk ribbon and dust bag, some papers and plastic bags. Okay. The shopping bag is here. If you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. The bag is very beautiful and have high quality. Thank you. See you.